Hi, it's Jesse here. I've come from Australia to the Hair and Shape Clinic to get a beard transplant. I chose this one online because the prices were very competitive and they were very helpful, all the staff here. I've just been through the facial process of the beard lining and I'm very happy with the process with Dr. Umkar and the clinic. It's been nothing short of amazing. Hi, it's Jesse here. I've just finished my beard transplant treatment here at the Hair and Shape Clinic. Dr. Omkar and the team have done wonders on my face. I'm super grateful for everything that they've done. If you are second guessing wanting to do it, I suggest that you do because it's been nothing short of amazing. The team here have looked after me completely, pre-procedure, post-procedure and everything throughout. Thank you.